That is right. And thankfully, though, if you like the snow, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Maybe starting to melt a little bit tomorrow. Temperatures make it a little bit above that freezing. But, yeah, especially on Tuesday, especially the timing of it during the morning commute is when we're expecting it. So we could see additional impacts just because of the timing of it. But let's look at our time lapses. Let's look at Carmel. Check this out. You can see this morning, it quickly picked on up those heavy, big snowflakes, quickly covered the ground. Also, here's another look in Greensburg of snow just quickly taking over the rooftops and the grassy areas. Thankfully, our road conditions, our road temperatures were warm enough for most of that to melt. However, those overpasses and bridges did see a few of those slick spots. Now, live Doppler 13, most of the snow is up to our northeast now. We are tracking a few light drizzles in central Indiana, but as we look a little bit farther north, we're seeing some lake effect snow near South Bend and Fort Wayne. So we keep a close eye on how far south that extends, but near Marion and also Muncie, we're seeing more of that wintry precipitation with temperatures dropping this evening. That could lead to some additional slick spots. We have some overcast skies right now and temperatures right now 32 degrees, but with the wind chill up 22 because winds are sustaining speeds around 14 miles per hour. And really all of central Indiana, it feels like we are down into the middle 20s. So definitely a bitterly cold evening. In our wind chill forecast over the next several hours, we are going to be waking up tomorrow morning possibly down into the teens is what it's going to feel like. Early morning lows for that air temperature in the middle 20s. So we want to be layered on up. And tomorrow, while we're going to have a lot of sunshine, temperatures are going to remain in the 30s, especially that snow covered ground. It's going to reflect some of that incoming sunlight and some of that, and that's going to help keep those temperatures a little bit colder as well. So forecast highs on Monday, though, we will be bumping back up into the 40s. Winds will start to return a little bit more out of the south. However, it is definitely going to be a chilly week ahead. Let's look at FUTURETRAK 13. Possibly a few isolated snow showers as we head mainly for northeast Indiana this evening. Tomorrow morning, clouds will be clearing to that sunshine as a high pressure system moves on in. That's going to be in control through Monday. You can see how it lifts to the northeast, so winds are going to be returning out of the southeast. So that's going to help those temperatures bump back up into the 40s. However, our next storm system, a wave of energy, is going to arrive on Tuesday. That's going to bring us a chance for some of that accumulating snow. You can see this around 7 o'clock in the morning, likely going to have some impacts on that morning commute, something we're going to keep a very close eye on as we get closer to Tuesday, as we really dial down how much snow we are expecting. But tomorrow, high of 38 into the 40s on Monday. But this upcoming week, we are going to be spending it more in the 30s than anything else next weekend. It gets even colder.
Oof. All right, we'll get used to it. Chelsea, thank you.